In this video, I'll show you what you can do with the CRM lists in reGuest. They allow you to keep track of all data related to guests, inquiries, and bookings, and to use it in sales campaigns for targeted sales. With the new CRM lists, you can now use your guest data even more effectively. You connect historical guest information with current data and deals, and you have many flexible filter options to choose from. Under the new CRM lists menu item, you will find two sections: the guest list, focused on your guest data, and the list of all deals, which shows you all inquiries and bookings, including status and revenue. In the guest list, you'll find all relevant information about your guests gathered in one place. Here you can filter data, sort it, and create your own views entirely according to your needs. You can access your individual views at any time, and if you like, share them with your whole team. While creating a view, our standard filters help you, and you can apply them directly. You also decide whether your view should be visible only to you or to all users. Let's look at an example. Do you want to know which guests are currently in the house? Simply select the status on stay in the guest journey phase. By clicking on a guest in the list, you immediately open the guest profile, and you'll see all important information clearly summarized. Let's look at another example. Do you want to see all contacts created this year that have already shown interest in you? Then you simply select the filters Guest Journey Phase, Past Interest, and Creation Date, Current Year. With the advanced filters, you can narrow your search even further. For example, you can show only guests with children over 3 years old. You can also adjust the displayed columns and add additional information. For example, general text. This way, you always have exactly the data in view that is relevant to you. You can export the views you've created, or if you've made them visible to everyone, use them directly for a campaign in sales campaigns. This allows you to re-engage guests in a targeted way and reignite their interest. Now let's move on to the list of all deals. Here you'll find all information about your open and completed deals, including status, revenue, and many other details. Here too, you can rely on our standard filters when creating a view. With just a few clicks, you get an overview of your reGuest deals, including total amount, number of open requests, reservations, deal age, and lead-in. Switch between List View and Board View to display your data in the way you prefer. In Board View, you can see at a glance which phase your deals are currently in. Here's an example. You want to know which inquiries with a sent offer have arrivals scheduled in the next 7 days, and where the correspondence started recently. With the right filters, you can find that out easily. Or you can use the data for operational purposes. You want to know which deals have arrivals scheduled in the next 7 days with additional services already booked? You can also display this easily with an advanced filter, and then export the data or use it in a campaign. With the new CRM lists, you have all the information about guests and deals clearly organized in one central place, and they're fast, intuitive, and easy to use. This allows you to work even more efficiently in the reGuest backend and make optimal use of your guest knowledge. The CRM lists not only help you understand guest and purchasing behavior in detail and gain exactly the insights you need, they also allow you to precisely define the target groups for your sales campaigns, enabling you to sell even more easily and effectively. Stay tuned! The next video tutorial is already on its way.